Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are talking about functions in Python. In order to call a function in Python, we need to write down the name of the function and then the parentheses. Whether the parentheses whether there is something inside the parentheses or not depends on how we declare the function. We're going to have some exercises with respect to that. In this case, it's an empty parenthesis, meaning that the function requires no parameter when we are calling it. So let's define a function. We simply write down the def keyword, then we choose a name for our function. Here we are saying say hello. You can put x, y, etc. Then the parentheses and then the colon. In the next line, we are going to write down what the function needs to do when it is called. So whenever this say hello function is called, it is going to print hello world. So when I run the code, we are having hello world in the output.